Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Abhay Shrivastava Vlogs in a new video. In today's video, I will be basically going to share with you guys what are the things that you need to pack to carry to your hostel, college or university. Also because few of the colleges are planning to open in the coming months, so I thought this video will be really helpful for you guys. So I have divided this video into 3 sections. In the first part, I will discuss about the things about the hostel essentials. In the second part, I will talk about what are your bath and personal uses stuff that you need to carry. In the third one, I will basically talk about all the college essentials or college stuffs that you need to carry. And also, please notice that in this video, I have not talked about what are the clothing items that you need to carry. So because that is a different topic altogether, so I am planning to make a different video for that. So stay tuned for that as well. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet, and also press the bell notification for more updates on my video. And with that, let's get started with this video. So first of all, coming to the hostel essentials that you will need. So when you go to a hostel, what are the things that you find inside the hostel itself? So when you get your room or when you are allotted a room in the hostel, in that hostel room, most probably you will have a bed, a table, like a study table, a chair, and that is pretty much it. So first thing that you will need to carry for your bed is a mattress, and along with mattress you need to carry 2 bed sheets, 1 pillow, 2 pillow covers, and of course a comforter or a blanket or a quilt as per your comfort. Now think, for example, you can carry the bed sheets and pillow covers etc. along with you, and as for talking about the mattress and pillows, because that will be hard to carry while you're traveling, so I will suggest that because those things are very much available in the nearby markets of your university, so you can purchase from there as well. And in case you are comfortable carrying them with you, then of course you can. Now, along with that, don't forget to carry 1 electric kettle along with you, because this is the pandemic time. So you will need to, you will need hot water, or maybe you need to make coffee, or sometimes your kadha etc. So it will be very beneficial if you have your kettle along with you. And as I talk about the pandemic time, so I will suggest you that you carry 1 vaporizer with you. That it looks something like this, a vaporizer or steamer as you call it. So please carry one this piece with you, and because it will be very helpful for you guys. For example, because in this time it is very crucial for us to take care of our health. So in case you need to take steam or you need to take the vapor etc. So it will be very helpful if you have your personal vaporizer along with you. If you talk about the utensils, then most probably if you eat in the hostel, if you eat in the mess food, or even if you are eating in the canteen etc., so they will give you the plates to eat. But then again, I will suggest you that please carry 1 small plate, 1 plate, 1 bowl and a glass with you, because in case sometimes you order food or sometimes you bring your food to your hostel room, so you can eat it properly. So please carry 1 plate and a bowl with you. A few spoons etc. you can carry as per your convenience. Now you need to carry 2 water bottles, 1 of smaller size so that you can take that to your college etc. for your classes etc. and 1 bottle should be of a bigger size. It should be a bigger size so that you can fill the water from the fridge, and you can keep it in your hostel room for quite some time, and then you will basically need to fill that bottle just 2 to 3 times and it will be good to go. After that, please carry at least 2 bath towels, because in case one of them gets dirty, then you have a second piece available with you. And I will also suggest that carry 1 mesh bag, that laundry bag of smaller size carry with you. It is because I have been a hostler and I know people are so lazy, to keep, you end up collecting them on your chair, and in that case your chair get filled, and then you don't have a place to sit other than your bed. So I will suggest that keep a laundry bag under your bed, so that you can dump your clothes inside that, and your chair will be free for you to sit, and it will the room will look more clean and more organized. Along with that, please carry area rug, because when you take a shower in your room, in the attached washroom or bathroom, whenever you use the washroom or bathroom, so that place gets very wet, and because of that the room starts getting dirty. So keep an area rug on the door of your bathroom. Other than that, also carry 1 to 2 locks to lock your hostel room. Other than that, if you want, you can carry few pictures of your family or posters of any, like your favorite god or your favorite quotes, etc. You can carry all that. And do not forget to carry that stick-on hangers that come. So please carry that as well, because like you will, in your hostel room, you will be just provided with like mostly 1 to 2 hangers will be there. And of course, because of roommates as well, so all of like so it is not sufficient for everybody. So I would suggest that please buy some stick-on hangers, and that will be your personal, because nobody else will put their clothes on it. So yeah, that will be very helpful. Now this was it about the hostel essentials. Coming to bath and personal uses. So of course, first and foremost thing will be your toiletries, which includes your soap, detergents, your toothpaste, toothbrushes, or your fish wash, whatever like things, your shaving kit, etc. All this comes in the toiletry. So you please carry that with you. Along with that, because it is pandemic time, so please carry few good face masks, and along with that also carry 2 bottles of sanitizers. And please notice that the 2 bottles of sanitizer that you're carrying, one of them should have that spray thing, and the second one that you can use for your you can use the drop wise on your hands. Also, do not forget to carry medicines, few medicines or few ointments, such as you can carry some antiseptic creams, you can carry some painkillers, so you can carry that pain removal cream, etc. or spray that comes, you can carry that. So sometimes if you're not feeling well, yeah, you can also keep medicines for things like loose motions or fever or headache. So please carry these things, because it will be like helpful in any way. Now we will talk about the third part, which is college stuffs. So the first and foremost part of college shopping will be a good college backpack. So please do not go for a very huge backpack in college, because it is not like school life where we we used to keep our books and notebooks as per the timetable. In college, mostly we will be required to carry just 1 or 2 notebooks, and that is it, or sometimes a laptop. So please carry a comfortable and like medium-sized backpack as per your wish. Other than that, because we are talking about college stuff, so of course your stationaries are the like very necessities, and stationery such as pen, pencils, your notebooks or even books, all that you will get in the college itself, so you do not need to carry with you. And other than that, you please carry 1 headphone or 1 earphone, because I know I do not need to tell you guys why you need headphones or earphones. Of course, you need to like listen to your private music in a public area, or you need to like do video call with the family and friends, so it will be very helpful. And also try to carry 1 power bank, or what we call it power adapter with you, because whenever your phones get charged, you will not have you do not need to worry to find cable to connect to your charger, etc. and charge your phone. Just carry 1 power adapter with you and keep it in your college backpack. Also, in some courses, carrying a calculator is must, so do go for a good calculator. You can even go for the basic calculators or the scientific calculators, but I will suggest you that please go for the scientific calculators, because they are very much helpful in solving the equations. And yeah, it will be like, it makes it very easy to solve big equations in a very short span of time. So yeah, go for a good scientific calculator. Other than that, also keep few folders with you so that you can secure your necessary documents and necessary your project files, etc. So keep few folders with you. And last but not the least, you need a good laptop, which should not be a very big size, very heavy. So as per like, I'm not suggesting anything. Whatever laptop you're comfortable with or whatever you are using currently, you can take that. So yeah, this was pretty much it about the things that you need to pack for your college or university. And I have intentionally not included clothing items, because very soon I will be releasing that video as well. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also press the bell notification so that you do not miss out the upcoming videos. Also, if this video was helpful for you guys, don't forget to like this video, and see you in my another video with a new topic. And yeah, this was it for this video. Hare Krishna.